Dimple and you're watching Project Review on MBTV. Today I'm in Attapur, which is located in the southwest part of Hyderabad. I'm going to review a project launched by Mahaveer Constructions. It is called the Crystal Garden. Stay tuned with me as I review the project based on its location, price, builder profile, specification and much more.
Mahaveer Construction is a Bengaluru-based company which has started operations in 1998. They have delivered 115 real estate projects which are a mix of residential and commercial. They started their Hyderabad operations in 2019. Apart from the Crystal Garden, the developer has 3 ongoing projects in the city at different stages of construction.
Let's check out the project now.
Spread across 5 acres, the Crystal Garden is a gated community that's being constructed using MIVAN Technology. Currently, the excavation work is underway and the project is likely to be ready for the possession by March 2026. The project will have 3 towers of G+35 floors each with 4-level basement parking. There are a total of 782 apartments in 3 and 4 bedroom configurations in varied sizes. The size of 3 BHKs starts from 1600 square feet and goes up to 2360 square feet. For 4 BHKs, there are 2 size options, that is 4550 square feet and 4706 square feet. The smaller size in 4 BHKs is only available on the ground floor. In Tower 1, there will be 4 units of 4 BHK plus servant room on each floor, while Towers 2 and 3 will have 9 3 BHK units on each floor. The price of apartments in the Crystal Garden starts from Rs 1 crore 16 lakh and goes up to 3 crores 50 lakhs. Stamp duty, registration charges, legal documentation and society maintenance deposit will be charged extra. The developer will maintain the property for 2 years after possession and will charge Rs 4 per square feet in advance for 2 years at the time of registration. The Crystal Garden is situated in Attapur below PVNR Expressway. The approach road to the project is well laid. Employment hubs of High-Tech City, Gachibowli Financial District are 11 to 18 kilometers and 20 to 30 minutes away via Inner Ring Road and Old Mumbai Highway. Lakdi Ka Pul Metro Station, which is about 6 km from the project, is the nearest and will take you approximately 15 minutes to reach. Nampally Railway Station is about 9 km and 25 minutes away from the project, while Sikandrabad Railway Station is about 16 km from here. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is at a distance of 23 km and usually takes you about 30 minutes to reach via PVNR Expressway. Finding autos, cabs and buses is quite convenient too. The social infrastructure around the project is well developed. Begum Bazaar, the commercial hub of the city, is about 6 km from the project. From food, grocery, clothing, accessories, you will find everything in this market. The famous tourist place, Charminar, is about 9 km from here. Since Attapur enjoys good accessibility to major employment hubs in the city, many IT professionals are looking to invest in this locality. For grocery shopping, Ratnadeep Supermarket is only 100 meters away. There are many local shops as well to cater to your daily needs. From restaurants, saloons, pharmacies and vegetable markets, everything is at walkable distance from the project. Solitaire Global School and St. Anne's College are educational institutions close to the project. Additionally, Chaitanya Junior College, Gokaraju Rangaraju College of Engineering and JNTU are located within 5 km radius. Hospitals like Germantown, Maitri and Olive are within 3 km of the project. Mantra Mall is about 5 km away. Other than the Crystal Garden, there are no ongoing projects in the immediate vicinity. However, Kenworth by Provident Developers and Aparna 1 by Aparna Constructions are within 7 km from the project. Kenworth by Provident offer property at the rate of Rs 7,000 per square feet. Aparna 1 by Aparna Construction is available at the rate of Rs 12,000 per square feet, while the Crystal Garden offers property at the rate of Rs 7,500 per square feet. According to Magicbricks data, the properties in Attapur are available in the average range of Rs 3,800 to 6,100 per square feet. The developer claims that they are providing bigger apartments and huge open space within the premises compared to the other projects in the area at competitive rates. Talking about the project's investment potential, a semi-furnished 3 BHK apartment in the Crystal Garden can fetch you monthly rentals of Rs 40,000. In terms of amenities, there will be a clubhouse of 65,000 square feet with a temperature-controlled swimming pool, gym, supermarket, pharmacy, clinic, ATMs, restaurants, crèche, library, private theatre for 32 people, boardrooms and meeting rooms, workstations, among others. Guest rooms facility will also be provided in the clubhouse. There will also be a tennis court, half basketball court, jogging and cycling track, cricket pitch and play area for kids. Attapur does not face any issues with water and electricity supply. Additionally, the developer also has made provisions for a tube well. The approach road to the project is well laid and has functioning street lights. Attapur police station is also nearby. Thus, in terms of safety and security, the project scores quite well. However, you will find severe traffic congestion during peak hours on the road outside the project.
Attapur is one of the Hyderabad's fastest growing areas in terms of real estate. The state circle value has also increased, which has driven up property values here. All of these things combine to make Attapur an attractive investment location. Social infrastructure and transportation facilities are in place here. So if you're looking for a premium home in an established area of Hyderabad and have a large budget, the Crystal Garden by Mahaveer Constructions can be considered. I hope you like this project review. If you have any query, you can write to me in the comment section below this video. To watch more such project reviews, please subscribe MBTV. Do not forget to like and share this video. With cameraman Manish Sharma, this is Neha Nagpal signing off from Hyderabad.